Hi, this is Asim and welcome to the channel. Today I'll show you how to create a profile backlink on Pinterest.com. So let's get started. First of all, head over to Pinterest.com and click on sign up. Now you can create an account with your email or you can log in with your Gmail account. So I'll choose Gmail. So select your Gmail from here. Click continue. Enter your date of birth, your month and date. Click on create account. Now click on next. Choose your gender. Click next. Choose your country and click next. Select the 5 categories. Click on meet your home feed. Now click here and click on edit profile. You can add your logo here and you can write your business name. Let me write mine. Delete it and enter your bio here, a short bio. Let me copy mine and paste it here. Now add your website address here. Let's copy the website address and paste it here. Now you can also change your username from here. Keep it relevant to your website or business. And now click on save. Now click here again. And now your profile backlink is ready. If you enjoyed this tutorial, smash that like button, subscribe for more SEO tips and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you next time.